I got a 2009 Dodge Ram 1500. AC in the heat, the blower fan's been making a lot of like noises, high-pitched squeals, and it even's gone out a few times. I don't know if maybe that's the relay or not, but from everything I've seen, it seems like I need a new blower motor. So went around to Advanced Auto and got this blower motor. It's like 80 bucks. It's a lot more than what I'd get it for on Amazon, but at least I can return it fairly easily. Just bring it over there. It's got a lifetime warranty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there. So the blower motor, it's underneath the glove box on these trucks. It's really easy to take out. You got 3 screws. They're these guys here. You got like it's kind of like a star screw. You can use a T20 in there to pull them out. They come out pretty easily, or you can use like a screwdriver. Looks like someone's used a screwdriver on these in the past. They come out really easy. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, and then this cord. This cord here comes out. It's got like a clip in there somehow. It clips in there. Oh, it's got a little clip you push down, and thought it would come out easily. I feel there's a clip right here. In there, you can clip that in. So let's see. That's not wanting to come out, so I'll have to work on that. But I'm gonna pull this thing out and then pop a new one in and see if it sounds any better. Here, I'll go ahead and just show you how this one sounds, and we can kind of compare and contrast. Alright, so I don't know how well this comes through on the sound, but that's on full high, which isn't really that high. And then you come down and you get these like whining noises. Maybe you can hear it down here. You get like this high-pitched whine, and that's on like 2. And then sometimes you get it really bad on 3. And then 5, as I said, it comes out, but it's not like blowing my hair back. So, and I've had it where I'm on the road and it just like, it doesn't want to ramp up, and then all of a sudden it'll turn on again. So it's just kind of weird. So I might have to replace the regulator as well. Not really sure, but yeah. Anyway, let's see how it sounds after I put the new one in. Alright, so I pulled those 2 screws, and then this thing just kind of drops down. And then you can lay it down, you have better access to that plug. So now with it like that, it should be just a matter of pushing this little button here in and then pulling that thing out. It just doesn't want to come out, it's being stubborn. Little grippers on the side. Hey, try with 2 hands. That thing just does not want to come out. Alright, so it basically just boils down to me being a wimp. So there's not really much to grip onto on this thing. So basically you pull this pin down and then you pull this thing out. So you just got to grip onto the sides and push down. Once the pin is ejected, then it's just a matter of like kind of pushing it out. Right? Whoa! And so you pull that thing out and you have, there's these two pins on there, and then something like this, right? Mine doesn't have the climate control. It's all manual. So I think when it has climate control, the fan is actually different. I saw it had a different model for the fan. So I don't know what that one looks like. This fan looks a little dirty. It's been in use for a while now. So I don't know. Hopefully it'll fix my situation anyway. It doesn't really sound like it's clunky or anything, but it ran smooth. It just had that high-pitched whine, and then it started to not work. So I don't know. I might change the regulator out just to be sure. Alright guys, so while we're talking about regulators, that's the regulator right there, so you can see it pretty clearly now. It's right behind. And that thing just, looks like there's 2 screws and then a clip that you pull. You pull the clip, pull the 2 screws, and that thing comes out. It's like $30, $40 part, so I'll probably just replace that. But I'm going to just put this new fan in and see what I have. Alright, so it's cleaner. Appears to be sturdy, durable, just as much of the OEM, if not more. Yeah. Now the one thing that's different about these is, or this one in particular, I've read people love it. It doesn't have that notch on the side like the OEM one does. So you can kind of see the difference here. They're a little bit different. The back, there's fins where there's not fins and all that kind of stuff. So this one's a Denso, and this one here is a, I don't know, Unimotor, made in Canada, I don't know, no name. It had a different name than Tough One on the website. So, but anyway, yeah. So we'll just plop that thing in there. Again, there's 3 screws, and then connect this wire, and then it should just be work. So we'll see. Wish me luck. So there's a little vent thing here, and there's a vent thing here. So try to line those up. And it looks like I'm there. One, 2, 3 screws. Tighten those up, and we're halfway home. Alright, and then we got plenty of room for this thing. Hopefully no one kicks it or knocks it around, but it's almost too much. Kind of needs to be zip tied up there or something. but I'll just shove it back here. Alright, so we'll shove it back there, and that should be done. Alright, so let's turn it back on and see what it sounds like. Alright. Alright, so it's almost like a new whining noise at high. But I can tolerate that. Yeah, it's almost like a clicking noise too. Maybe not. But it's blowing. It blows. Feels a little bit better. Not crazy. I probably need to open up my dash and clean out all the heat exchangers and the ductwork and all that stuff. I poked a camera in there and it was just like filthy as all get out. So we come down. So let's see. So that's one. And chat, you can feel stuff coming out. You can't hear it though. 2. I don't get that annoying whine at 2 anymore. 3. And 4. So 4's got a little bit of a new noise, I think. I don't think this one, well, maybe, I don't know. Maybe. It's got a nice breeze coming out. Yeah, again, not blowing my hair back, but feels good. We'll see how it works this summer. So I'm gonna go ahead and also replace that regulator too, and just in the off chance that that's causing my problems. We're going on a trip to Florida this week and don't want to, well, the last 2 times we've been down there, the AC's just kind of like stopped. So I'm gonna charge up the Freon and just make sure everything's working good. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.